Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot connect to TV on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. Click on connected devices. After click on connected devices, scroll down and click on smart view. After click on Smart View, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Settings, click on Labs. After click on Labs, you will see if you want to fix this problem, so turn on Chromecast Spot button. After enable Chromecast Spot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix cannot connect to TV on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.